Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time with Joe by Deborah. Well, I am doing something different. I'm in my lair. I have my Halloween shirt on. I am doing a bonus video. I think this is a fun box. I am not sure. So we're going to explore and see what I got. So this came from Phoenix, Arizona. 9/29/23 is when I received it. So let's go ahead and open this. I have not done a fun box in a long time. I think this is the only one I have. Don't forget we have collabs coming up, jewelry. I am one of the lucky people that got the Louis Vuitton boxes from ThredUP. So what it's supposed to be is 2 bags and an accessory. So we are going to be doing a collab. So I'm excited about that. So I don't see a receipt, so I'm hoping it's a fun box. All right. Well, I'm not sure. I'll say what. There's shoes in here. I was like, wait, is this a designer? But I don't think so. I hope it's not, because if it is, ugh. All right. So let's go with the shoes. We got a brand new pair of water-resistant Old Navy shoes. They're in new condition. Let me see what size they are. They look like they are a size 8. So those are pretty. What I'll do is I will pop prices up in case you guys are interested. But I think this is like maybe only the second time I've gotten the shoes, especially heels, in a fun box. All right. All right. Ray-Bans, you guys. They popped out. So we've got the case. It's got the purple on it, which means it's supposed to be legitimate. Let me go ahead and they're dusty, but they look like they're in good condition. Let me see. We'll just use my shirt. Let's try that real quick. All right. Okay, so I do not see any scratches. Ray-Bans resell really well. Don't forget, you can list them during the winter because, you know, especially here in Chicago, we get when we get snow and it's sunny outside, that really messes with my eyesight. So I definitely wear sunglasses. So Ray-Bans, nice. All right. Then we got a clear bag. Let me put my glasses back on. It's giving me Vera Bradley vibes because of the print. It is a clear bag. Oh boy, they don't make it easy to open. Yes, it is Vera Bradley, so it is a clear bag, which would be good for traveling for sure. You know, like we're at the airport if you have to bring your bag out. So that's interesting. All right, then we have a cotton on foundation. No, yes, bag. It's brand new. It was $5. It's kids recycled gift bag, small. Isn't that sweet? That would be really cute to do for Easter egg hunt. So, all right. Looks like we have another Vera Bradley. Maybe? Yes. Sunglass sleeve. There we go. New with the tag. I'm just checking it to make sure that it does not have any, you know, stains or anything like that. So yeah, and it is for sunglasses, originally $29. All right, gotta have some socks. Oh yeah, it says. And these look like they say new liberal socks, $14.99, designed in Los Angeles. So they are liberal socks. All right. Then we've got a new with the tag, Tracix. I'm not familiar with that. I know that light is shining off of it. There we go. Let me put it like that. Sleep shirt, maybe. It is gray. This brand I've never heard of. Let's see if it says anything about a size. By Tracix.com by Lux. We will check it out and see if there is a size tag. This looks like it's very lightweight. I do not see a size tag. All right. Maybe that's why this is in this box. So definitely, to me, it looks like it would fit maybe a medium, but very lightweight, nice for summer. Looks like we've got a summer box here. So we have bikini bottoms in a blue and white. Let's see, they are by Exhilaration. They even have the clearance tag on it still. So high leg, high waist, size large. And they do have the panty liner, which is very important. Okay, this box, I don't know. We have a ponytail holder. Whoops, I dropped that on the floor. We've got a pair of Sugar Fix earrings by Bobble Bar. Bring those up so you guys can see those. So we have some earrings. Looks like we have a pair of classic jockey bikini underwear. They're in a really pretty teal color. New with the tag, and they are size 6, made by Jockey. I think this was their end of summer box, so it must be. And then we have an infinity scarf in green. So I think that they just kind of had extra stuff, and instead of a theme, they just kind of picked a little bit of everything, because we've got like March colors. We've got underwear, which is every day. We've got political socks, the Vera Bradley. We have the swim bottoms. We have a very thin summer tank top. We have like an Easter bag. And then we have, I would call it, I guess, a travel bag. The right. I'm not even going to clip that out, you guys. We have a pair of Sugar Fix earrings. We have the hairpin. And then we have the Ray-Bans, nicest item in here. And we have the like end of summer, early fall shoes. So I will pop prices in if you guys are interested in any of these. The only thing I would consider listing would be the Ray-Bans. This and the other Vera Bradley. But yeah, otherwise, not a great box. I can see why, especially now that the boxes have gone up really expensive. You know, they're $34, but then there is shipping of $10, and then there is tax. So to me, I would not pay $50 or $60 for this box. I wouldn't do it. So I might have one more fun box laying around. I am not positive. But yeah, the Ray-Bans for the win, and the Vera Bradleys. So thanks so much for hanging out with me in my lair today, you guys. And be well, take care of each other, and make sure you tell someone you love them today. All right, you guys, I will see you really soon. And don't forget, there's a bunch of collabs coming up.